Hello student, today I will tell you numericals given in your NCERT textbook. Exercise 1.1, question number first, use Euclid division algorithm to find SCF of these three questions are here. We have solved in previous class. And the second question, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 3, and the second last lecture I explained you this. Now I am telling here the question, an army contingent, question number 3rd, please look here. This is I gave as an assignment right now. Today I am telling the question number 4. Use Euclid division lemma to show that square of any positive integer. You may see this question here. I am talking about question number 4. Use Euclid division lemma to show that square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m plus 1 for some integer. Is that clear? The hint is given here, however in your textbook, but you have to solve this question by yourself and yourself understanding and getting in the last two lectures. Is that clear? Square of any positive integer. So before starting the solution, the question is what? The question is square of any odd positive integer. Square of any positive integer or odd positive integer. Look at this. Square of any positive integer. So first you have to show positive integer. Is that clear? And what type of 3m and 3m plus 1. 3m and 3m plus 1. Is that clear? Now look at this. The solution number 4 means you have to prove 3m and 3m plus 1. This form. Is that clear? The central idea and the concerning discussion of the question is Euclid division lemma. How Euclid division looks like? A is equal to and BQ R, where R is greater than or equal to 0 but always less than B. Remember you please, this is the central idea of the chapter. Is that clear? That is to be used to solve the questionnaires. Is that so? First we have to prove positive integer of the form this, and later its square is to be done here this. Is that clear? So you just compare this. B is to be there 3, but Q is to be there something else. Here could be some positive integer, but here B must be there 3. Is that clear? So please just call the line. In the last lecture I told you what are the lines that is to be used while solving question. What are the first line? Please tell me. Let same A and B are two positive integer, two positive integer such that B is equal to, how much we taken? B is equal to, yes, B is equal to 3 right now. Then or therefore by Euclid division lemma, ideal, you just have to write complete statement for Euclid division lemma in examination, and lemma is to be proved here. This lemma is to be given here right now. What is lemma here? A is equal to BQ plus R. So again and again BQ plus R, BQ plus R, don't write here. So you have to write the solution here. Is that clear? In place of what is to be written there, please tell me. Right? You have to write just, A is equal to, what is B means 3 and its Q plus R is also there. Is that clear? And here this, since R is greater than or equal to 0 but less than B, that is what here 3. So R can be here 0, 1, 2, 3. Can we write 3? No, don't write here 3. Why? Because R cannot exceed 3. So 3 will not be there. 0, 1, 2. So according to Euclid division lemma, a will be positive integer for all value of r here. This condition is to be satisfied here. You can see this or not? This condition is to be satisfied here, right now. Therefore, so here you will write for r is equal to 0, comma 1, comma 2. Remember please, in some books and some solver, how to write solution? For r is equal to 1, r is equal to 0, they first take, then r is equal to 1 they take, then r is equal to 2 they take. Is that clear? But we are writing whole means at the same time all the cases we are writing. Or if you can't understand this, then we can also take here this. For r is equal to 0, a is equal to, what the solution? 3q is a positive integer. Is a positive integer. Tell please, when you goes up to this step, how this become a positive integer, sir? It is positive because you are not saying this is positive, because this get framed well in the Euclid structure, so it is positive. Is that clear? Now we brought here positive integer, but it's coming 3q, but the questionnaire is asking 3m form. 3m form. Is that clear? So how is to be done here? This please tell me. Again is saying square of positive integer. So please doing square, squaring either side, squaring of either side, doing squaring a square, and what is there? 3q whole square. Further is to be done 9 into q square. Is that clear? Now we have to prove not 9q form, we have to prove 3m form. 3m form. So tell me please, does 9 having 3 as factor? Yes. So you can write 3 into q square. Can we write this or not here? So listen guys, this 3q square is some positive integer. Is that clear? This is some positive integer. So what can we do here? This obviously 3q, it can be written as m. Why? Because q is positive integer. Here you can write argument q is positive integer, q is positive integer, implies that q square positive integer, implies that 3q square is positive integer. 3q is equal to positive integer, and that is m. So this instruction is not necessary to be written here. This, if you will write all the things in the solution length must be very greater. Is that clear? So we have proved here it is 3m form right now. Similarly, again we will write here for r is equal to 1. So a is equal to, what is a is equal to? 3q plus 1 is a positive integer. Is a positive integer. Is a positive integer. Okay, right now wait a minute here. This further can also be done here. This please observe the solution all what I will explain here. Please see the solution all one by one and read the solution please. Now come again here. I was just explain this concept here. Again, what is to prove here? The squaring of that either side. So do square please. Again, squaring. Now I am writing here squaring either side. Obviously, squaring either side. If I do the square, so what is need to tell the squaring I am doing right now? So do the square, taking square either side, 3q plus 1 and whole square. Further is to be done. Expand it. First term square, 2 first term and second term plus second term square. Just you call here a square plus twice ab plus b square. Do you remember not the identity? So what further is to be done here? This 9q square plus 3 2s are 6q plus 1. Is that? Now this number is to be carried further. What is coming this? You may say this. What come here? This is coming 9q square and 6q plus 1. Is that we have to prove? No, please go back. We have to prove 3m and 3m plus 1. You may see this question again here. See in the study textbook yours right now. There is this 3m. See the question number 3m we have proved. We have to prove here 3m plus 1. Is that clear? Come here this again 3m plus 1. 3m plus 1. So how can we write this? Among these between these two, what is common in them? 3 is common here. What's left here? 3q square and 2q. Now sometimes students think that sir here 2 is also 3, one more 3 factor is also common, q is also common. Then why you are not taking q as common? Because we have to bring the frame of this kind. 3m plus 1 means here must be 3 and here must be some positive integer, here must be 1 there. So the same type format is coming here. Is that clear? So this whole quantity is to be supposed as m and this is 1. Is that clear? So again you will write here what? Q is a positive integer, implies that q is square positive, 3q is square positive, 3q square plus 2q is positive. Finally, it is positive integer. Is that clear? So please, your question is now completed here again. We had to prove here. Use Euclid division lemma. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So we have done here. First we prove the positive integer they are. Is that clear? You may see this. The positive integer we have proved here this. Let this is positive integer. B is equal to 3. How many positive integers are there? Yes, this is. For 0 is equal to 1, r is equal to 1 we have proved. For r is equal to 0 we have done. Also we can do for r is equal to 2. But remember, you not have to do here because he is asking only 3m plus 1 and 3m plus 3m form, not 3m plus 8 and 3m plus other 3m plus 2 something else. Is that clear? Right now you well understood the question here. Now please look the question number next. What the next question is saying here? Use Euclid division lemma to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. Tell please. Now the student thinks that here, sir, we will suppose as b is equal to 9. Obviously b is equal to 9 you will suppose here. But cube of any numbers is asking right now. So solution number 5. How can we solve this? Please tell. 9m, second is 9m plus 1 and third is 9m plus 3. These 3 numbers are. So anybody can think that sir b is equal to 9 we will suppose. B is equal to 9 we will suppose. No. If you will suppose, because the method is same here, you may see, sir here we are supposing b is equal to 9. So same procedure is there. If we will suppose b is equal to 9, then in that solution, how many value of r will come here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, furthermore will come here. So our task is not to prove the positive integer. Our task is to prove cube of positive. So, and after doing cube, So tell please what the number on cubing that can give you 9. So cubing according to fundamental arithmetic theorem, or what we'll do here the next. If suppose that we have 2, if I will do square, what will come here? 4. 4 having 2 times 2, 3. I am doing square. 3 into 3, that is 9 coming here. This is 2 times 3 is coming. Similarly, if I will do cube here, so what will come? 1 more 3 will come here. So this you will take as some positive, but it is 3 forward. It means you can take b is equal to 3, and after cubing you can bring 9. Is that clear now? Now the trick is here. What? Again I am doing just. So copy the line here of solutions. The all lines to be copied here. This. Go to the previous solution. These lines to be copied here. Is that clear? The all line is to be copied here. Same it is. Yes. Now same lines are there together. Okay. Let a and b are two positive integers such that b is equal to what we have to take. B is equal to. Tell please what we have to take. B is equal to. B is equal to. Again 3 we have to take. Right now. Lot 9 3 by ideal. The ideal statement is what here? Again a is equal to b cube plus r. Right now, so here we will write what is b? It's a 3. And what is r? Where r greater than equal to 0, but always less than 3. Is that clear or not? So further what can we do? Yes, go on. Therefore r can be 0, 1, 2. Again same here, 3 cannot be taken there. So for all value of r 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, a will be positive integer. So here you will write. So directly you can write down here. So listen here please. For r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus what? 2 are positive integer. Excuse me. Now please come to the topic. 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2 are all positive integer. So again you will take for positive integer a is equal to 3q. What is to be done? Cube of positive. So it's a cube is equal to 3q whole square. Cube, sorry. Now next is it's a 3, sorry, it's 27 and q cube. Clear? So does 27 have 3? Yes. 3 into, it can be written 9 into q cube. Clear or not? Further it can be written as 3 into m. Why 3 into m? 9q square is equal to m is a positive integer. It's a positive integer. Why this is positive? Because in the beginning of question we have to suppose q is a positive, and if you are having a positive integer and you are doing the square of that, again positive you will obtain, and will multiplying by some positive, the positivity will remain continued. So 3m, this is means you have taken r is equal to 0 and a positive number you have taken here, this a is equal to 3q, and you have done square of that number, and sorry, cube of that number, and you again obtain 3m form. You will do the same thing for any positive integer. The same will come here. Is that clear? Now again you will do here for a is equal to what next is 3m plus 1. Is that clear? So again doing cube either side. Don't write here doing cube. Is that clear? Simply you are right. A cube. You could see here this. You may see this on the screen. It is appearing. What you are doing with this? Cubing either side. Now call the formula from the 9th standard. A plus b whole cube. First term cube. Do you remember this? Plus 3 first term square. Is that clear? Sorry, first term square, second term plus 3 first term, and what next is into 1 and plus last term cube. If you don't remember this, I am writing formula here. A plus b is equal to a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Is that clear or not? Now proceed it ahead. What is obtaining? 3 cube will give you 27 m cube plus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Sorry, it's a mistake in here. I have taken 3m 3m. This is mistake here. Please correct it. The symbol has been changed here. Q3 it is, okay. Symbol I taken the different 3q, and this is also again 3q. Delete it. This is 3m. Okay, and here it's to be done. Okay. This is not 3m. It is q actually. Right now. 3q. So 3q square 27 q cube. Okay. And here again q square, and here again q, and further 27q square, okay, plus 3 3s are 9, it's square 9 q, and there is 1. Is that clear? This line is to be carried on in the next step here. Well understood here? Next here. This is step now reached here. Further, what is to prove here? In these 3, what is common? 3. 3 can be taken common. But some student thinks that again q is also common, but I have to show the format 3m plus 1. Okay. So 3 is taken common. Here left 9 q plus 9 q square plus 3q and plus 1. See guys, 3 into m plus 1, because see here this 9q cube plus 9q square plus 3q will be a positive integer. Why this will be a positive integer? In the beginning of the question I have explained q is a positive, and of doing cube, squaring, and any power when raised for any positive integer is positively remain continuous. Now here we obtain 3m plus 1. This is a positive integer, and we have done cube still, and we obtain the format 3m plus 1. So please similarly for a is equal to what next is 3q plus 2. Why I am writing this 3q plus 2? Go on the solution to the question. What the question is there? Yes, 9m. Listen, there is 3m form. Cube of n number? No, sorry guys. 9m and 9m plus 1 format is there. Okay, don't worry. 9m form. Yes, so we can take 9 common. Don't worry. Please go back to the solution. The solution is attempted as 3, but you have to take as a 9. So what you will do is a 9 means you can take 9 common. Where is that? 9 further. 9 you will take common here in this all. Is that clear? Nine you will take common, and here will be next. Here is 9. We'll take 9 common. Okay. Here you will write 9. In the place of this, you will take 9 common. Okay. So it shall be 9m plus 1 format, because it has 3 more, it has 3 more, it has 3. So 3 two times taken common becomes 9. Is that clear or not? Now again 9 to be taken common. Can we take? Yes, I am deleting this. 9 is to be taken common. If 9 I will take common, so here will remain 3 and here will remain what? 3 only, and here will remain nothing. Is that clear? 9 is the format of what type of form is there? 9m form is there. Is that clear? 9m form. Clear or not? Now go back. Sorry, 9m form. 9m form. Go back to that. This is also same. Here is that. For 3 is equal to cube. Here you may see this 9. This is to be 9. It is to be written here, and here is to be written 3. Okay. So this will be of what form? Please tell me. 9 form. Okay. It's 9m form. Okay. Now please, a is equal to 3 cube plus 2. Again, what is to be done here? Next, cubing either side. So a cube is equal to 3 cube plus 2 and whole cube. Further is to be done. 3 cube first term cube plus 3 first term square. Okay, and second term plus first term and second term square. Sorry, 3 into first term second term square plus what next is second term cube. It's not coming. Here I am writing. Okay, proceed it ahead. 3 3s are 27, 3 3 9, 9 is 27, 9 3s are cube plus 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 3s are 54. Clear not? And it's a cube square. Again 3 3s are 9, 9. What next is 9 4s are 2 2s are 4, 9 4s are 36 cube plus 2 3 times will give you 8. Now remember, I made mistake here in the earlier solution. Okay, so you don't worry to this. What is common in them? 9 is to be taken here. Common is what's live here? What's live here? 3 q cube 9 6 q cube square 36. Okay, 4 cube and yes, now plus 8. So same, I think you all got this. This whole is a positive integer. It has to be supposed as m. That's it. Now you have supposed here a positive integer and cubing has made it 9m plus 8 format. Hence proved here. Stop the solutions. So we have all proved here the cube of any positive integer is of the form 3 9m plus 9m 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. Similarly, you can attempt the sum question in the study middle given. Is that clear? The thing that in the study middle of that all the questions here now complete in the exercise. Next day we will solve about the fundamental arithmetic theorem, and also you can solve the question from our study material. This study material I think you all having. These questionnaires are there. Your assignment of the day is this. Class assignment 2 we have already done. I will suggest you to do the question number, yes, class assignment 2 you will do your assignment. Class assignment 2, state Euclidean lemma, write 98 as a prime factor and furthermore also. Right now, thank you very much. Have a nice